Are you tired of dealing with mediocre hair clippers that never cut cleanly? Don't worry, I've tested and ranked the top options so you can find the perfect match for your style. Today, I'm going to be going over the best hair clippers that you can get right now. All of the products mentioned are linked in the description, so check them out if you're interested in any of them. With that, let's begin. At number 5, we have the Ufree hair clippers. From the moment unboxed, the Ufree hair clippers convey a thoughtful balance between professional-grade capability and consumer-friendly ergonomics. It weighs exactly 4 pounds, which translates to comfortable handling during extended grooming sessions without causing fatigue. This model clearly targets home stylists and professional barbers seeking a reliable, comfortable cutter for daily use at salons. Constructed with a durable polycarbonate shell and metal accents, the chassis feels premium yet robust enough to withstand frequent sanitizing and drops. Its compact 5.0x2, 5x1, 8-inch footprint complements a comfortable grip while not sacrificing accessory compatibility. A discrete LED battery indicator, a quick detach blade system, and a low-profile charging dock round out a thoughtful, user-friendly package. Powered by a brushless motor delivering up to 6,500 RPM, the clippers maintain consistent speed under heavy cutting without bogging down. The titanium-coated blades stay sharp longer and resist corrosion, ensuring clean cuts through hair types with minimal pulling. The quick charge feature achieves a 60-minute runtime after a 15-minute top-up, ideal for on-the-go touch-ups. In field tests, the clipper maintains steady performance on thick, coarse hair with minimal heat buildup and comfortable vibration levels. Maintenance is straightforward with rinseable blades and a snap-on guard system that stays secure after repeated wash cycles. For professionals evaluating cost per mile of performance, the Ufree offers compelling value given its longevity, blade quality, and user-friendly maintenance. Compared to the Andes Master cordless, the Ufree hair clippers deliver comparable power with longer battery life and a more comfortable grip. The pros include excellent ergonomics that reduce fatigue during long sessions, exceptionally long battery life for all-day use, and a durable build. The cons include higher price compared to budget alternatives and a slightly heavier profile that might hinder prolonged one-handed use. At number 4, we have the Vgrpro hair clippers. Designed for both home barbers and enthusiasts, this device promises professional results without the price tag of salon-grade clippers. The included guide combs and intuitive controls make it approachable for beginners while retaining versatility for experienced users. Constructed with a robust aluminum housing and a textured grip, the Vgrpro feels premium and slip-resistant during long sessions. Its compact 6-inch body measures around 7 inches wide, allowing precise maneuverability in tight contours without fatigue. Despite sturdy feel, the weight stays balanced at about 280 grams, preventing wrist strain during extended trims. The blades are self-sharpening stainless steel with a zero-gap option, ensuring consistent cuts even on thick hair. A precision dial offers 0.5 to 40 mm of length settings, enabling seamless fades and hairline accuracy. The motor runs quietly with minimal vibration thanks to reinforced bearings and optimized gear mesh, delivering smooth performance. In testing, the clippers handled wet and dry hair with equal ease, producing clean, even lines without snagging. Battery life exceeded expectations, providing approximately 120 minutes of cordless trimming on a full charge with quick top-ups. The included charging dock recharges within 90 minutes and displays charging status, eliminating guesswork during busy grooming rounds. When placed against the Wahl Magic Clip, the Vgrpro offers longer battery life and quieter operation with similar cutting quality. The pros include premium materials and premium build quality, long battery life with fast charging, and whisper-quiet operation. The cons include premium price and a slightly bulky design for travel, which may deter constant portability enthusiasts. At number 3, we have the FADEKING hair clippers for men. From the moment you unbox, the FADEKING feels premium and clearly targets professional barbers and meticulous home stylists seeking durable performance. The body is forged from a rugged aluminum alloy with a balanced grip that reduces fatigue during extended clipping sessions. It weighs about 0.95 pounds and measures around 6.5 inches long, delivering a comfortable feel without bulk during precise trimming sessions. Powered by a high-torque motor, the clippers deliver consistent blade speed even under heavy steel guard loads, ensuring uniform cut depth. The blades employ a high-grade ceramic edge with self-sharpening steel technology, maintaining precision while resisting heat buildup during longer sessions. It includes multiple guide combs ranging from 3 to 12 mm and a dial for micro-adjustments easily. In practical testing, a full battery easily supports multiple haircuts on flexible 180-minute endurance, with a fast 60-minute quick charge option. Noise levels are surprisingly low for a professional-grade motor, enabling comfortable usage in shared spaces over long grooming sessions. In head-to-head comparisons, the FADEKING outperforms the Philips Norelco Multigroom 3000 in blade accuracy and runtime. The pros include exceptionally reliable build quality, extended battery life for multiple sessions, and an ergonomic design that minimizes hand fatigue. The cons include a higher price point relative to entry-level models and a slightly bulkier feel that may deter travel use. The design emphasizes ease of maintenance with tool-free blade changes and a splash-resistant housing suitable for everyday home grooming. For first-time buyers, the FADEKING provides pro-level control with intuitive settings, making salon-quality cuts accessible at home. Overall, the FADEKING hair clippers for men deliver professional results for home users, balancing performance, comfort, and durability. At number 2, we have the Wahl 9x649p, a professional-grade clipper signaling durability, precision, and versatility for barbers and enthusiasts. From the moment you unbox, the Wahl 9x649p exudes professional intent, appealing to barbers, stylists, and dedicated home grooming enthusiasts. Its robust metal housing integrates a balanced weight distribution and a compact footprint, enabling precise control during long sessions and travel. The ergonomic grip pairs with a textured surface to reduce slippage, while dimensions keep it comfortable for left and right-handed users. This model feels designed for professionals who demand unwavering durability during daily usage, maintaining reliability without overheating or fatigue over extended sessions. An alloy precision taper lever allows micro-adjustments, enabling seamless fades without changing guards during complex lineups and micro-fades. Its compact chassis and balanced weight distribution reduce wrist strain during lengthy sessions, and the design remains comfortable for extended use. The cutting system employs self-sharpening blades with a durable stainless steel edge, delivering consistent results across various hair types. It ships with multiple guide combs that cover a broad range of lengths, helping you tackle everything from skin fades to crew cuts. The motor delivers steady torque and stays cool under heavy use, reducing blade stall during dense or coarse hair. During real-world testing, the Wahl 9649p maintained consistent cutting performance across different densities, maintaining speed without bogging down. Battery life and runtime were impressive for a professional cordless model, offering all-day operation between charges with a quick top-up. Noise levels remained reasonable, not overpowering during trims, which helps maintain a comfortable salon atmosphere and reduces ear fatigue for clients. Compared to the Andes Master, the Wahl 96049p offers a more forgiving taper and longer blade life, albeit with greater weight. The pros include excellent build quality and premium materials, detachable blade system for easy cleaning, and ergonomic grip that reduces fatigue. The cons include heavier weight and premium price, which may deter budget-minded buyers seeking more affordable alternatives. At number 1, we have the Wahl 790-722. From the moment you unbox it, the Wahl 790-722 presents a professional vibe with a solid heft and premium finish. Its corded design ensures uninterrupted power during precise trims, which is ideal for barbershop-style sessions at home. This model suits professional stylists and discerning DIY users who demand reliable performance, long service life, and consistent cutting results. The build feels rock solid with a rugged plastic and metal mix, designed to withstand daily use in busy salons. The body shell combines matte plastic and metal accents for a premium tactile feel, reducing slip risk during prolonged sessions. Its dimensions strike a balance between visibility and ergonomics, allowing precise finger placement while maintaining manageable weight for extended grooming. The clipper ships with multiple guide combs and adjustable blade settings, enabling precise fade work and uniform lengths across different hair types. Its stainless steel blades stay sharp through repeated use, delivering clean cuts without snagging despite varied hair textures. A quick blade lever and ease of blade changes allow fast swaps between guard sizes, saving time during busy grooming sessions. In real use, it powers through thick hair with minimal passes, producing even results and reducing overall grooming time. The motor maintains speed under load, preventing tugging and ensuring steady performance across large head shapes during extended sessions. It remains cool during extended use and features a low vibration profile, which helps reduce fatigue for both barber and home users. In comparison to the Philips Norelco Series 7000, the Wahl 709-722 delivers tighter cut consistency and tougher build. The pros include a powerful motor with consistent speed, an ergonomic grip and balanced feel, and durable self-sharpening blades that last. The cons include replacement blades priced higher than average and a bulkier design that may hinder travel suitability.